When treating our patients with porcelain veneers, our major goals are strength and aesthetics. A key component in achieving high aesthetics is that the veneer cement is color stable. Veneers, as received from the laboratory, are fragile by nature, but when teamed with the proper cement and bonding protocol, can become very strong. A common problem that occurs with veneers is the fact that the luting agents used to place the veneer can discolor with age. Bisco set out to develop a luting cement that will eliminate this concern and help you achieve aesthetic goals when treating your patients with porcelain veneers. By removing the tertiary amine that is required to make a cement dual-cured, Choice2 is a light-cured luting cement designed exclusively for veneer placement with superior color stability. Choice2 is a highly filled resin cement that enhances the overall strength of the restoration. The Choice2 system starts with 3 shades of the light-cured veneer cement, 1 Vita shade, and 2 chromatic shades. The kit also contains all of the necessary bonding materials for both tooth structure and porcelain. When using the Choice2 system, the protocol guides you to a successful aesthetic veneer placement. Etch the veneer with 9.5% porcelain etchant for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with water and thoroughly air dry. Apply 1 to 2 coats of Bisco to the internal surface of the veneer. Wait for 30 seconds and dry with an air syringe. Etch the dentin and enamel using Uni-Etch for 15 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and lightly air dry, leaving the preparation visibly moist. Apply 1 to 2 coats of All Bond 3 to the dentin and enamel. Air dry to evaporate the solvent and light cure for 10 seconds. Apply a very thin coat of Bisco's porcelain bonding resin to the internal surface of the veneer. Line the internal surface of the veneer with the shade-stable Choice2 veneer cement. Working in pairs, gently seat the veneers, remove excess cement, and light cure for 40 seconds from the lingual and 40 seconds from the facial. The final restoration will be strong, aesthetically pleasing, and color stable. For color stable, extremely strong veneers, select Choice2. For more information, contact Bisco at 800-247-3368 or visit bisco.com.